My video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the ransomware called Capibara. Capibara is a ransomware targeting many Windows computers these days. Capibara ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Well, my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles at all, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Capibara ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files, and also it appends a special extension to the file names. And the extension is exactly like that, Capibara. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note, indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application and start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on start scan. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium. This way you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and you can request trial to evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.